Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw 2D shapes. So kids, now we open colors. First we open the color of green. The color of green. And the next one is blue. Now we open the color of blue. The color of blue. Kids, the next one is yellow. Now we open the color of yellow. And the next one is white. The color of white. The next one is red. Now we open the color of red. The last one is black. The color of black. Now we are using the color of blue and coloring the shape of star. The shape of star. Now we are coloring the shape of pentagon and using the color of red. The next one is square. Now we are using the color of green and coloring the shape of square. Now we are using the color of yellow, the shape of triangle. Now we are using the color of black. And the last one is trapezoid. And now we are using the color of white. The color of white. Thank you so much for watching.